In my previous video, I have already covered these lighting fixtures, how to assign these lighting fixtures based on the project requirement I have discussed. Now, in this video, I will discuss about the calculation and the reports. Let's see. Uh, let's go to this calculation objects tab. Click here. Okay. So here, what we can do here, as you can see here, the entire project all light scenes. So click here to calculate all the illumination level. Start calculation. So DIALUX Evo has started the calculation. Okay. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is the results overview. This is the results overview. Let's check the 3D figure here. So this is ground floor. So as you can see, this is the room 1, 203 lux. Let's expand this. Okay, for this room 1, this is average lux level is 203 lux, which is greater than equals to 200 lux. So this is our target. Target value is 200 lux, and we are achieving 203 lux average value. This is minimum lux level 65.2 lux, and maximum lux level is 282 lux. So mean by average, which is the this ratio, uh, mean by em, this is 0.32. 0.32. This is important. This value is 0.32, uh, and this this height, this working plane height is 0.8 meter. Likewise, if you expand for this room 2, you can see 234 lux level. Our target was 200 lux. This is minimum 106 lux, and here mean by average value is 0.45. This is 0.45. Okay, and this is for room 3. This is for room 3. Our target was 150 lux, and we are achieving 226 lux. Okay, you can on and off this result as well. So here you can see, yes, this is the lighting design. This is indoor lighting calculation. Okay, so based on the project requirement, that is required lux level, you need to select uh, the lighting fixtures based on the fixture specification, its illuminance level, and then you need to perform the calculation. In the next video, I will discuss about the reports, how to generate uh, reports from DIALUX Evo software as an as a deliverable to your client.